A grilled Charlie has peanut butter last.
Okay, either inside or
Peanut
outside.
butter outside. Chocolate inside. Butter inside. Cheese outside.
Go away.
The grilled Charlie. Oh yeah.
Do not put peanut butter on that.
Holy shit. It's actually really good. It's like sweet and salty. Not bad, Charlie.
Can we talk about the mail, please, Mac? I'm dying to talk about the mail.
I'm dying to talk about this sandwich. Let's go.
Talk about stress, okay?
Dad, Pepper's milk. You can sit back to me, Pepper's milk.